F-16s frequent the skies over the Midlands in and around Shaw Air Force Base and McEntire Joint National Guard Base, but soon they'll be tearing up the skies in the Upstate, where Lockheed Martin just cut the ribbon on the production line for the popular fighter jet. In April, dignitaries and top Lockheed officials participated in a ceremony officially moving the F-16 production line from Fort Worth, Texas to its Greenville location. The plant will be up and running in November, producing the latest F-16 model known as the 70 Block. Foreign allies are the primary customers, including the Royal Bahraini Air Force, which has already inked a deal. Senator Lindsey Graham says providing these planes to allies keeps those countries and others safer as a result.
And the F-16 built in Greenville is the most advanced F-16 in the inventory. It will be sold to allies throughout the world, and it's going to make us safer back here at home. And it's a complement to the South Carolina workforce. I want to thank Lockheed, but this small state, South Carolina, is building 787s for Boeing that will go all over the world, and now the F-16 that will go all over the world to protect America. So this is truly a historic day, and from an Air Force point of view, being an Air Force guy, I couldn't be more proud of the people in South Carolina.
More deals are planned, and officials within President Donald Trump's administration are taking credit for reviving the F-16 line and bringing jobs to South Carolina.
The F-16 line was actually in jeopardy of going dark in Fort Worth if we weren't able to move forward with these arms sales. I went to the President. He said, fix it. Do it in Trump time, which means right away. And as a result, in September of 2017, we were able to consummate that deal with Bahrain for 16 aircraft, over $1 billion sale. And at that point, that's when this ribbon cutting began. Because at that point, Lockheed made the decision to open this production line here.
Some 400 jobs are coming with the production line and opportunities to create a pipeline of work. The addition of the F-16 boosts the future of Lockheed in Greenville, with the initial deliveries of the planes not expected until December 2021, and orders ensuring operation for years after that. The deal gives Lockheed security in Greenville, which for years was performing maintenance and repair work while actively searching for aircraft production work. Since the F-16's inception in 1978, it's been entirely manufactured in Fort Worth. Negotiations started in 2017 to prevent the production line from going dark as Fort Worth was ramping up for additional production of the F-35. The fourth-generation fighter jet continues to be a cost-effective option for countries who aren't able to afford or aren't allowed to purchase fighter jets with stealth technology, like the F-35. Over its lifespan, 4,588 planes have been produced for 28 countries, and 3,000 of those planes remain operational today. Other deals could come to fruition, with Lockheed officials seeing potential future deals with Slovakia, Bulgaria, and Morocco, which would ensure the F-16's production future at the plant through the 2030s. With the addition of 400 new jobs to the site, officials at nearby Greenville Tech look to growing opportunities for graduates of their aircraft maintenance program, which has provided Lockheed a steady pipeline of employees since 1986. Governor Henry McMaster said the addition of the production line will continue to grow the aerospace sector in South Carolina.
A couple of points here. Today, 400 aerospace companies operate in South Carolina, employing over 22,000 people. Last year, we exported approximately $7.9 billion in aircraft, ranking us fifth in the nation in the export sales of aircraft, spacecraft, and related parts. Now, thanks to our partnership with Lockheed Martin, South Carolina is the new home of the F-16 production line.